Hey, what's up, guys? It's 2021, back at it. I'm excited. It's trash day out here in my neighborhood, and we're gonna go and pick up some trash. Got my 4-year-old to help me out. Here we go, 2021. Let's make it happen.
We're in the picture. Ew, disgusting.
Hey, what's up, guys? Just wrapping up my walk, and when I left, I had 3 trash cans, and as you can see, 2 of them are missing. I don't know what happened. And then somebody that I didn't know who this person is or whatever, the yard sign somehow ended up in my backyard. Wild times when you go on vacation. Well, guys, I'm glad to be back at it. Get out there, clean up some trash, do some cool stuff, and hopefully you guys had a good holiday season. Wish you the best in 2021 here, and drop a comment and let me know what you're excited about for this year and how you're looking forward to helping de-trash, and take care of your local neighborhoods and parks and whatnot. Thanks, take care, be well, talk to you soon.